Yes, here is the first problem based on exponential trend. Let's see the problem. The sales of a company in lakhs of rupees of the year 2005 to 2011 are given below. So these are the sales given from 2005 to 2011. Okay. Then they have given estimate the sales figure for the year 2012. So you have to estimate it. You have to forecast for 2012 using an equation y is equal to a b raised to x. So when this equation is there, so it is a exponential trend. Okay. Now let's start with the solution. How to start? See, first start with the year as it is given: 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010 and 2011. Then sales as it is you write down: 32, 47, 65, 92, 132, 190 and 275. Okay. After that, write main equations and normal equations. Then I'll tell you about what columns to be done. Okay. I'll write here the main equation. The main exponential trend is, yes, the equation, the exponential equation trend is yes. What is the main equation? Y is equal to a b raised to x. Okay. Now, after that, write the three normal equations. The normal equations are, yes, write one by one. First one, log y is equal to log a plus x log b. Means taking the main equation, logarithm both the side, you will get first equation. After that, take second normal equation, summation log y is equal to n log a plus in bracket log b summation x. So this is your second normal equation. Okay. Third normal equation is summation x log y is equal to log a in bracket summation x plus in bracket log b summation x square. This is your third normal equation. Now the columns to be prepared is, we need x column as it will, then x square we need here, see x summation x square we need. After that what we need? Log y, then we need x log y, so these columns to be prepared. Okay. And for exponential you need to refer logarithm and antilog table. Okay. Yes. Now write x. Now how many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If it is odd, the middle one as 0, 1, 2, 3. And here negative part, -1, -2, -3. If it is even, what you will do? You start from 1, 3, 5, 7. Here -1, -3, -5 like this. You have to do. One you have to skip if even years are there. Now x square. Make the square of x. -3 square is 9. -2 square is 4. -1 square is 1. 0. 1 square 1. 4 2 square 4. 3 square 9. Okay. Now sales means y. Okay. So you will get here summation y. So total of this column is 833. Okay. Then Summation, as I had told while telling the formula, summation x is always 0. So summation x square is 28. Okay, then take log table. Okay, you have to refer log table. Okay, so first one, log y. Log y, where is y column? Here. So 32 log is how much? I'll take the table here and show you. Yes. So this is log table, right? So first one here, 32. So come in logarithm. This is logarithm chart. Okay. So first one is 32. See log of 32. If nothing is front, you have to see in 0 only. So 32 log is 5051. So write here 5051. So here how many digits are there? 2. So in logarithm you have to minus 1. So 1.5051. Okay. Similarly 47. Here also see 2 digits are there. First I'll write this point. 2 digits means 1. Here 3 digits are there. So if 3 is there, minus 1 is 2. Okay. Then find here point it is. Okay. Then 47 log is how much? Yes, come to log. 47 log is 3721. Okay. Sorry, 6721. Next log is log of 65. Okay. Come to 65. 65 log is here. This is 65. 8129. Like this you have to find. Okay. 8129. Similarly 92 log is 9638. Now this one 132. How to find? So you have to take 2 digits here. 13 in that second column. So here it is 13. Okay. 132 means 1 in 13 second column. 1206. Okay. 1206. Similarly 19th 0 you have to see. 19th 0 is 2788. Here also in 27 fifth column you have to see. 4393. Yes, 27 5. I'll show you. Okay. Here it is 27 row column number 5. Here 4393. So this one. Okay. So total this one log y total is equal to 13.7926. Okay. Now x log y means you have to multiply x column and log y column. So these two columns you have to multiply. Minus 3 into 1.5051. Okay. Minus 4.5153. Minus 2 into 1.6721. Minus 3.3442. Next. Minus 1 into 1.8129. Okay. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. 1 into 2.1206 is 2.1206. Next. 2 into 2.2788 is 4.5576. Then 3 into 2.4393 is 7.3179. Okay. So like this you have to see logarithm table 7.3179. Okay. Now total summation x log y is equal to 4.3237. Okay. So we got this table. Now from this second table I had told while explaining the equation, from second, so take second equation, we will find log b. Okay. By taking second equation. What is second equation? Second equation is here. Second equation, summation log y is equal to n log a plus log b summation x. Okay, now you know in table it is proved that summation x is 0. So by putting summation x as 0, what you will get? Summation log y is equal to n log a plus log b into 0. Okay, summation x is 0. So what remains is summation log y is equal to n log a. Okay, so by this you will get log a formula. Log a is equal to summation log y divided by n. Okay, by taking second equation we will get log a formula. Log a is equal to summation log y divided by summation n. Okay, so put here log a summation log y. Okay, summation log y is how much? 13.7926. 13.7926 and n, how many years are there? 7. So what is log a? Log a is equal to 1.9704. Okay, then by taking third equation we will get log b formula. Take third equation. What is third equation? While solving you can take this formula or directly log a log b formulas you can buy it. Okay, by taking third equation, yes, we get, what is third equation? Summation x log y is equal to log a summation x plus log b summation x square. Okay, now summation x log y is equal to log a into 0. Summation x is 0 plus log b summation x square. Now this one is 0. So what remains? Summation x log y is equal to log b summation x square. Okay, so we will get the formula of log b is equal to summation x log y divided by summation x square. This is formula of log b is equal to summation x log y divided by summation x square. Now put the values in this. Log b is equal to summation x log y. Summation x log y is total you have to take 4.3237 divided by summation x square is 28. So log b you got is 0.1544. Okay, log a and log b we got. Similarly you find a and b constants also. Okay, a, I had told this like the same formula, but you have to write their antilog. A is equal to antilog of log a formula summation log y divided by n. Yes, antilog summation log y divided by n. Here this one we got here. Okay, you can take here. The answer is 1.9704. Now you have to see the antilog table. Okay, antilog table starts from point. Okay, here 0.9704. Okay, so see antilog table. 0.97 in that 0, then mean difference 5. See here it is last. Yes, here it is. Yes, 0.15 in that 4 is 1426 and mean difference 4 is 1. 1426 is 1427. Okay, 1427 I have written here. Okay, then here 0 value is there. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So after 1 you have to give 1 point. So A answer is 1.427. Okay, now the trend equation you have to write. Okay, then you have to estimate for the year 2012. The trend equation is y is equal to a b raised to x. Okay, so y is equal to a value is 1.9704. Here x you take like this, x into b value is 0.1544. So this you got a trend equation. Okay, then by taking this you have to estimate the value for 2012. Therefore, estimation of sales for the year 2012 is, yes, take this, y is equal to 1.9704 plus x value you have to put 0.141544. Now in 2011, now come to the table. So table is here. See the value of x. In 2010 x value is 2, 2011 3. So what may be the value for 2012? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 2012 it will be the 4, right? So I'll take here y is equal to 1.9704 plus 2 value will be, x value will be 4 in the 2012, 4 into 0.1544. So y is equal to 1.9704 plus 4 into 1544 is 0.617. So the value for 2012 is 2.588. Antilog you have to remove, antilog also lastly, that is value for 2012 is equal to antilog of 2.588. okay, so see the antilog table, 0.58 it is. It starts from 0.58 in that 8. 0.58 is here. 0.58 in that 8 you see 3873. So 3873. Here value is 2. 2 plus 1 is 1. Sorry, 2 plus 1 is 3. So after 3 you have to give point. So for the year 2012 the sales value is 387.3. So like this you have to solve the problem on exponential. Okay, hope you understood. Practice it. Okay, thank you.